what I'm going to do is just edit some pages. So you'll see that these pages have been created for you, but maybe you want to change some of the text or change some of the layout. So this is how you would do it. You'd edit the page after you've logged in. And within this, what I would suggest you do is you just click on the items and then just check in the right hand column the block elements to this. So there's two different types. There's document type, which is the whole page, and the block type is the individual blocks you see that I've clicked on. So this is a block here, this is a block, and so you can change the items by simply clicking on them. Deutschland 3, update that, and then obviously if I wanted to look at this page on the front end, you can see I have Deutschland 3. Okay, so maybe edit what's there, but if you wanted to add a new block, let's say, this is how I would go about doing it. You see I've got these little plus icons here. I can add blocks, or there's another one here. I can add a block and add, let's say, a new heading and save it. Go back to my page here. Okay, you see that it's certainly not how I want it, but you get the general idea. I don't, I can't make a video for every single possible block you can add, and there's thousands of, well, there's quite a few, and there's also different ways to edit content over here. What I'd suggest you do is just make simple text edits for like initially, and then later on, if you come into pages, maybe create one for testing purposes. So if you don't have a page here for testing, then create a page called testing. And within this testing page, you can do whatever you like without worry of breaking anything. Okay, so here just add blocks, you know, YouTube clip, custom HTML, some columns, try things out, and then you'll get used to this block editor updating the actual page and then having a look at the page whenever you view the source, so you can see your handiwork. So that's what I'd suggest you do to edit content on the pages. Okay.